Salvete omnes. Let's continue with Virgil's Aeneid. In sequitur clamorque virum stridorque rudentum, eripiunt subito nubes caelumque diemque, teucrorum ex oculis, ponto nox incubat atra, intonuere poli et creperis micat ignibus aeter, praesentemque viris intentant omnia mortem. Both a shout of the men and the screeching of the ropes follows. The clouds suddenly snatch away both the sky and the day from the eyes of the Trojans. Night lies upon the black ocean. The heavens thundered, and the upper air gleams with crowded thunderbolts. Literally fires, but it's standing for thunderbolts, with crowded thunderbolts, with crowded fires. And everything threatens immediate death to the men. So if we look up here, we can see a clear example of synthesis, A, B, interlocked word order, because clamorque, the shout of the men, and the screeching of the ropes. This section is describing the beginning of the sea storm created by Aeolus. Remember, Juno went to him and asked him to make a storm for Aeneas so that the Trojans don't reach Italy. And so here, the clouds snatch away suddenly both the sky, or both heaven and daylight. So suddenly clouds come over and you can't see anything. Right before the eyes of the Trojans. So of course he's making the storm happen where all the Trojans are. Night lies upon the Black Sea. Heavens thundered. This is a syncopated verb form, intonuere for intonuerunt, and the upper air gleams or glistens or glows with frequent fires, with lots of lightning here and there all over the place. Let's see. All things threaten immediate death to the men. This is really dative with intentant. They threaten the men with immediate death. It's kind of like a dative with a compound verb, intentant.